Professor John Bordeau here with STEM Guitar, and we are going to put on a painter's guitar stick. So what is a painter's guitar stick? So it's just a piece of plywood. In this case, it's about 5/8 thick. And it is 24 inches long, okay? So 24 inches long. The width is kind of critical. It's 2 3/16. And why is it 2 3/16? It's because it has to fit in the neck pocket, all right? It has to go in there. You can have a little slot, but you know, a decent fit in there. So what we're gonna do, and notice also that it has a hook on here for hanging. And it'll have 2 drill holes in here. The first hole is 5/8 from the end, and then the next one is 1 inch away from the first hole. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to plop in here this painter stick into the neck pocket. And then I'm gonna take a 3/32 drill bit, and I'm just going to drill down 1 1/4 inches. So these are my pilot holes. Now I'm going to take 2 Phillips, one in number 6 actually. This is a number 6 Phillips, 1 1/4 inches long. All right, so that's a number 6, 1 1/4 inches long. So I'm going to put that in there, and normally throw a little beeswax on there, but all right, and just snug it down with the clutch on. And so now we have a painter stick. What this is so nice about this is I can hold it with one hand. I can spray with one hand. I can hang it up, right? I can hang it up on a rail or something like that and spray. I can maneuver it around all I want. Much better than handling the body when I'm in the finish mode, when I'm painting or staining or, you know, swirl dipping or whatever may be the finish technique of your choice. But this little painter stick is just nothing more than plywood, 5/8 sheet of plywood, 24 inches long. You don't want it too long, it gets to be a little troublesome, but I do like actually to hold it, you know, like such, and spray paint. Or I can actually go in here and put some true oil on, or some stain, whatever you want to do. But I find this simple little painter's guitar stick really handy. And so my next step, I have 3 coats of shellac on here, and I'm going to put some primer on it. So I'm going to use this painter stick for my next operation, which is putting some primer on.